He said he was going to hurt himself with a shotgun. He takes her cell phone from her. He starts scrolling through her cell phone and walks away. She tries to get her cell phone back from him, and he's walking towards his car, and he says, "Look what I got." She didn't know what he meant, and he retrieves a shotgun out of the trunk of his car. It alarmed her. She said she feared for her life. This is all from a very bad breakup. Just wouldn't let go. She was 18 years old when all of this happened.
What's up, guys? Today's case is pretty wild. Judge Boyd has to decide if this guy gets a serious punishment or just a light one. He kept bothering his ex, stalking her, harassing her, and wouldn't leave her alone. He even went as far as threatening to hurt himself. Clearly, he doesn't get that restraining orders are serious, and the court can enforce them. Tell me in the comments what sentence you think he deserves, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's jump in.
Called because this defendant contacted the uncle, made some, and this is part of State's Exhibit number 1 that was already given to the court as part of this plea bargain agreement. Left a message where he was threatening retaliation against Jade Olguin. They had been in a dating relationship. They were no longer in a dating relationship. Also in that threatening message, videos were attached. One of the videos attached was her before the defendant had reached out again to the same victim, Jade Olguin, saying he needed to talk to her. She agreed to talk to him because he said he was going to hurt himself with a shotgun. She is with another female. They meet at a park. When they're at the park, he takes her cell phone from her. He starts scrolling through her cell phone and walks away. She tries to get her cell phone back from him, and he's walking towards his car, and he says, "Look what I got." She didn't know what he meant, and he retrieves a shotgun out of the trunk of his car. It alarmed her. She said she feared for her life. He also displayed the shotgun, threatened harm to her. That is the terroristic threat. He's arrested for that offense. As part of that offense, there's supposed to be no contact with the victim. As I earlier told you, he was booked in March, released May 20th on 2019. On that same day he was released, May 20th, 2019. He's charged with violation of the bond conviction, violation of protective order. Jade Olguin calls the police, shows the police a screenshot from her phone where this defendant private messaged her, contacting her.
I honestly don't understand why some people can't just move forward. If someone doesn't want you, accept it and move on. Instead, this guy went crazy, making threats and pulling dangerous things from his car. Big warning signs. And honestly, it seems like more and more young people are doing stuff like this these days. Maybe social media is part of it. What do you guys think? Should there be limits? Either way, stalking and harassing someone isn't just dumb, it's against the law. Let's continue.
Criminal history.
Oh, you're on.
It shows there's 4 cases in Bexar County, but the terroristic threat was inputted twice. So these are the only cases that he has. He has no other criminal history. This is all from a very bad breakup. Just wouldn't let go. She was 18 years old when all of this happened. When those very explicit videos are sent to her dad and her uncle. She's being threatened with a gun. She's being contacted after he's been ordered by a court not to contact her. The plea bargain in this case is a cap of 12 months state jail. I think 12 months is appropriate in this case. Also, no contact with the victim, Jade Olguin. And Miss Jade Olguin is not present in the courtroom today. She just wanted to be notified as to the sentencing, so there will be no victim impact. Defense?
Your Honor,
With regards to the cap of the 12.
my client has taken responsibility. There is no more contact with the young lady. And speaking with him, he has made it abundantly clear that he understood that this was not a smart move on his part, that it was rather childish, rather dumb, and he basically knows better. He has moved on in his life. He has other people that he is now seeing. His mother was here at the last hearing. They're very concerned about him. They do love him. Nobody wishes anything wrong on Miss Holguin.
Is there anything you wish to say?
Yes, just that.
Just one moment. Let me have you raise your right hand for me. Do you solemnly swear affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
That you can lower your hand. Could you state your name for the record?
Kevin Johnson.
All right. What did you want to say?
Just, I know what I did was wrong a couple of years, regardless of how long it was ago. I know that it was wrong and I shouldn't have done it. And since then, I think I've become better.
Hold on. So now he has a new girlfriend of 4 years. That's shocking. What happens if she ever wants to leave him? Based on his past, I wouldn't be surprised if he did the same thing again, maybe even worse. He says he's 24 now, which means he was only 20 when he pulled all this on his ex after just a short relationship. How does his new girlfriend not see this as a huge red flag? Honestly, I doubt she even knows what he did before. Most people would run the other way after finding that out. What about you guys? Would you stay with someone if they had this history? Let's get back